Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. This is Abdul Alim, an assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, TESHIP. Today I am going to take a Bangladesh and Global Studies class of class 6. Today's topic is Rights of Children in Bangladesh. Now look at the board. Learning objectives. After discussing today's topic, we will learn about rights of children. Rights of children recognized by United Nations. Rights of children in Bangladesh and creative questions. Before going to the topic, we have to analyze a picture. I am showing a picture. Dear students, if you analyze this picture, you will understand clearly this topic. And this picture is very much related to this topic. This picture, that means you see that there is a child. That means he is working in a brick field. We see that this child is deprived some basic or fundamental rights like food, clothing, healthcare, accommodation, security, etc. Now come to this topic: rights of children. These are the definition of rights of the children. Rights are such privileges which are necessary for the development of an individual and which are acknowledged by the state. On the other hand, childhood means a particular age limit. Dear students, you will find what the childhood means. Childhood means a particular age limit. You have to remember this line for your objective question. According to UN Charter of Children Rights, any person below 18 years of age is called a child. Another definition of a child: the privileges provided by the state to establish dignity of the children and to develop human qualities fully are called rights of children. These are the definition of rights of children. Some fundamental rights are providing them food, cloth, accommodation, education, healthcare and security, etc. Now next point is rights of children recognized by the United Nations. Dear students, you know that United Nations, it is the biggest organization in the world. This United Nations, that means maintains peace and security in the whole world. This nation, United Nations, has made a charter of children rights. That means there are 54 sections. Some notable sections of the charter are given below. Anyone below the age of 18 will be considered a child. All children have equal rights. That means rights should be equal of all children, either he is rich or poor, he is black or white, etc. Children have the rights to use their own identity. That means every children must have their own name, father's name and mother's name, etc. The state holds the responsibility to protect the right of children to live and grow up. That means every children has right to live and grow up nicely. The government is responsible for protecting children from unjust scolding and beating. Another important section. The state has to ensure that children get food, clothing, accommodation, education and healthcare in due time. These are the fundamental rights of a child. Every child has the right to enjoy leisure, games and sports, cultural and creative activities. Another important rights of a child. No one should engage children in any illegal work. Come to another point. Right of children in Bangladesh. On 26 January 1990, the main paper of the charters of children rights were open to sign on. Bangladesh was the member of the United Nations. That's why Bangladesh signed on the very first day on that charter. The government of Bangladesh also made national child policy to establish an action plan to prevent violence towards women and children. The objective of this state chart: removing malnutrition of children, ensuring health for all children, distributing vitamin A capsule among children, ensuring education for all, taking steps for the development of street children, paying special attention to unprivileged and disabled children. And these are the basic steps that Bangladesh government has taken and is trying to establish. Okay. Now we will talk about the creative questions. STEM, Rifa and Rima are two sisters. They were trying to make a robot with paper. They are students, just you have to analyze, you have to understand these questions. They were trying to make a robot with paper. That means this Rifa and Rima were trying to make a robot. These are their creative activities and it is their right. You have to remember this. Their mother saw it and scolded them and threw the things in the dustbin. Okay, this is the common tendency of our mother and father. Right at the time, a program was aired on television. Watching the program, she could understand her font. Okay. Now comes to the question: who are children? Dear student, to answer this question, you will get the answer from this text. Who are children? That means here you will get the answer. But to answer this question, you have to write only one sentence. Okay. Now, the question number B: write three notable sections of the Charter of Children's Rights. Okay. You will also get some section. And when you go through the text, you will memorize or you have to remember some section which are made by the United Nations. You have to write three notable sections. Okay. Question number C: which section of the United Nations Charter is violated by Rifa's mother? Explain. Okay. To answer these questions, you have to understand the system. That means here, Rifa's mother is violating her rights. That means she is violating the section. Every child has the right to enjoy leisure games and sports, cultural and creative activities. To answer these questions, you have to just pick up this right this section, and you will give your argument and give your opinion. Okay. No more today. I hope you all of you have understood this topic, and stay at your home and study a lot, avoid by your parents. Thank you. See you next video.